Hello everyone and namaste. So this video will be a bit different. First I'm going to talk about my issues with bipolar and anxiety and depression. So I was diagnosed with bipolar about 13 years ago, and that was one thing that got me into Buddhism is the mindfulness of that. And so I had to learn how to cope with the bipolar and recognize when those emotions are taking over and switching. And a lot of times I don't feel like leaving the house. I just want to lay in bed and just basically veg out. But I learned that if I go out into nature and explore and tap into the energy within nature, it helps a ton. And I had to learn that that was one thing that I needed to do even when I didn't feel like doing it at all. So in this video, what I am going to do is to show you guys the nature that is surrounding me, and hopefully you guys sitting at home who can't go out into nature and are experiencing this bipolar and depression and anxiety will be able to. Do you see the deer behind me? We'll be able to heal from it as well, even though you're not in it. So I'm going to show you this nature, and also my dog, who I also got because she helps me with coping as well, and helping me be more joyful because of her smile and her quirkiness. So here is the nature. Hi, silly butt. That deer was absolutely beautiful. Hi, silly butt. So I hope that helped you guys as well, and I hope that you guys can actually get out into nature and feel the beauty of it and the healing energy of it. And I'll talk to you guys later. Namaste.